Tarek Salem here, and today I'm going to tell you about Livegood. I've been in for 10 months and I've decided to leave Livegood, and I'm going to go over that in detail in this video and show you exactly why I'm leaving. I haven't left quite yet. I'm going to actually, maybe I'll do it on the video, but I'm going to do it today for sure. If you've never heard of Livegood, let me go over here. Let's go over to the computer and I will show you what I'm talking about. I'm sure you know already about Livegood if you're watching this video, but I've been in with 10 months since January 13th. It is a health and wellness company, and it sells supplements, of course. I've tried some of these, actually all of these the greens, the reds, the coffee, the magnesium, and the multivitamin. Haven't tried the THC or the CBD, but I have tried some of the other ones, and the products are okay. So the products are, let's go over here and I'll show you the products. Multivitamin, I've had the multivitamin. There's nothing too fantastic about them. The reds, I had a little problem with those actually, upsetting my stomach, and the coffee also. Taste was okay, wasn't fantastic. The greens were good. Where are the greens? Don't see the greens on here, but the greens were good. The multivitamins seem to be okay. The products are okay. Nothing to write home about. Nothing to jump out. But so the earnings potential, as they say over here, let's go over here to the earnings, and the possibility of earnings is $2,000 a month without enrolling anybody for spillover. So I've been in since, like I said, for 10 months, January 13th, I joined. Here it is right here, January 13th. And since then, 815,000 people have joined after me. And how much spillover have I gotten? I'm going to reveal that in a little while if you keep watching. But first, we're going to go over here to the leaderboard and take a look at the leaders. So for everyone you enroll, you get $25 immediately. That's a one-time thing, which is pretty nice. So the main leader here, Daniel Pylon, over in Canada, he's done over 1,000. Jeffrey Amen, of course, has done over 1,000. That's 25 times 1,000. That's 25,000 right off the bat. So they have some large teams. Let's come down here to, this goes down to the 200th person. And come down to the 200, and they're at 70. All these are at 70 people enrolled. So let's get out the calculator. 70 times 25 equals $1,750, which is not bad. That's a pretty good commission right there. Now, to earn the monthly commission of $2,000 just from like personal enrollees, I'm not talking about their second tier. You would have to have, let's see, $2,000, let's say $2,000, and you get 25 cents per person per month, because it's 2.5% of roughly $10. So we go divided by 25 cents. You'd have to have 8,000 people in your total team to make that money, to make $2,000. So that's quite a few people. Let's come over here and take a look at my team. So what I have is, let's go over here to my referrals. I'm not going to show you who I have in here. Let's go to my team. So I have 9 people total. 9 people, and it has been more. But out of these, how many are spillover? I think 1. I got 1 spillover in 10 months. So it's not exactly a sit back and relax kind of business. You have to put in some effort, which I did. I've emailed my list, made videos, and done all that, tried out the products, and got 9 people total. So let's go back over here to the power line view, and let me show you one other thing. Okay, so like I said, 815,000 people have joined after me. I've got 1 of those in a spillover, and that is not quite enough, in my opinion. So that is one of the reasons that I am leaving. Let's come over here to earnings. So here's a breakdown of the earnings potential. So you get $25, that's what this is here. You get $25 for every person you enroll. If you're unranked, if you're bronze, you get 50% plus 10%, which I'm bronze. You have 2 people, you get bronze. You have 10 people that you enroll personally, you get silver. So you get 50, 10, 10. So it doesn't start paying off until you get quite a few people in your team. As a matter of fact, you don't even break even for your monthly until you have 40 people in your team. So you have to have 40 people. Break out the calculator here. Clear this out. 40 times 0.25, so 25 cents. That's $10. So that covers your monthly cost. Now that doesn't include your bonuses here. So you make money off of everybody that you enroll, whatever they make. So here's the percentage breakdown of that down here. Here is your matching bonus right here. So if you only have 2 people, you get 50%. If you're silver, you get 10%. So if you have 10 people enrolled personally, you get 10% of the second tier, second generation. So it just hasn't added up to me. It just isn't worth it. I'm making way more money with my other ventures. So I'm letting this one go. I'm gonna cancel my membership. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now, here live on camera. Let me go to my membership right here. Cancel membership right there. Yes, cancel me. So I am going to cancel. I've just canceled right there. So I've got many other things. Well, I have 3 other main sources of income. My affiliate income, my YouTube faceless channels, which I'm going to show you if you subscribe and watch the video. I'm going to be coming up with a video on that, how you can do that very easily, and just do exactly what I do, and you will copy that. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this, got a lot out of it. If you're in Livegood, good luck with you. Good luck to you with that business. It's just not for me.